Good morning guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another cooking video, recipe video, and for today it is coconut rice. It is inspired by Indonesian food called Nasi Uduk. I made it in rice cooker for easier cooking. It is slightly different from the original, obviously, because I added veggies and other stuff inside the dish while cooking, while making it. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. I hope you have been well. Bye. So for the ingredients, this is 2 mugs of long grain rice. The mugs is the one that, or cup, the mug or the cup that I use is for especially for measuring rice. And then we're gonna use 1 can of coconut milk, 2 pandan leaves, which is fragrant leaf, and 2 Indonesian bay leaves, and some of long bean, Chinese long bean that I sliced into small portion, and then 2 chicken breast, and 1 lemongrass, and also vegetable flakes, and we're gonna add about a pinch of galangal powder. So just rinse your rice first, rinse clean. Once you rinse the rice, just add about 2 lines of water over there, just below the third line. So there's 2 lines. So this is about 1 cup of water, regular cup. Now add in your cubed chicken breast and about 1/3 cup of chopped or sliced long beans. Then add in the coconut milk and the rest of the ingredients. So this is about 1 tablespoon of vegeta powder, vegeta seasoning. This is Hungarian or Polish seasoning. You can find it at most of grocery stores in Canada. And also a generous pinch of galangal powder. For the pandan leaves and the lemongrass, I knotted them, I tied them in knots. And for the vegetable flake, this is about 1 tablespoon or more. And so just give them a good mix so they're mixed well. You can add more of the vegeta powder, or you can season a little more with a pinch or 2 of salt or sea salt or coarse salt, whichever salt you want, or Himalayan. So before adding the chicken, obviously, if you'd like to give a taste to your seasoning, but otherwise this is about a heaping tablespoon of vegeta powder and a little more, and just a pinch of salt. Now we're just gonna use the rice cooker to do the magic. Just choose for regular rice. This takes about more than 1 hour, just slightly more than an hour. Now it's done.